My name is Leslie Boyd. This is my son, Michael, who was born on my birthday in 1974. He had a birth defect. That was a pre-existing condition. When he left college for a semester at age 19, he condemned himself to death without knowing it. Because a birth defect is a pre-existing condition, as though he chose it as a zygote. He could not get care. And he died. He was the most precious thing in the world to me, and he's gone. I will never again hear him say, "Hey, Mom, are you going to bake bread?" "Oh, Mom, can I have some of that?" I will never hear that midnight phone call. "Hey, I knew you'd be up. I just wanted to talk." Now, these people who think that it was fine for my son to be murdered by a broken healthcare system call themselves pro-life. Well, I have news for you. If your support for life ends at the end of the birth canal, you got to stop calling yourself pro-life. Yes! Or Christian. Because you are neither.
Yes.
I have a little fantasy. The Judgment Day scene in Matthew 25 has informed my faith all of my life. Jesus sees how we treat people.
That's right.
We can't say, "I love you, Jesus," and then say, "I don't care if you die."
That's right.
This is not right or left. This is right or wrong.
That's right.
And my little fantasy is that on Judgment Day, Jesus is over there straightening out the brochures and checking on the ice water and, making sure the seats are all good. And these guys come in and they sit with the lambs. And Jesus turns around and he says, "Oh, whoa, excuse me, senators, you're over there." And they say, "But we love you, Lord." And Jesus says, "Oh, really? Because I was hungry and you cut food stamps and Meals on Wheels and school lunches. And I was thirsty and you allowed polluters to poison my water.
Yeah.
I was sick and you did everything you could to repeal the Affordable Care Act, which is murder, by the way. And I was in prison and you allowed charlatans to profit off of my misery. Whatever you did to the least of these, you did also to me. I do not know you. Leave." That's what I think will happen. And I will sit by and weep. Because I don't think even John McCain deserves to die. I thank God John McCain has the health care he needs. And that maybe he'll survive where my son didn't. My life ended at that moment that my son's heart stopped. I thought my heart would stop, and it wouldn't, and it won't. And I don't know what else to do but to beg for the lives of every American. How dare you? How dare you say it's all right to take away access to care for 33 million Americans? How dare you?
Shame.
Shame. I will never again hear my son's voice. My surviving son does not have health insurance, and he has high blood pressure. I could outlive both my children. How is this right? How is this pro-life? How is this moral? Please, senators, please, I beg you, let us live. Thank you.